Hey guys, so today in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to get Projector App on your phone in 2026 so you can project stuff on your wall. So it's pretty cool, guys. So just go to matrixmods.com, look for the Projector App, press on it, press download. Now before it downloads, there's going to be a verification, right? So this is the last step because this app is not in the App Store. You can go look for it. So what we have to do is download 2 of these apps and follow the instructions, but it's 100% free. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load. As you can see, so it's going to say missing files. So what we have to do is download the missing files, which are these apps from the App Store, and this will get the Projector App onto our device. So for instance, we got like Travel Town, which says down and reach level 10. So it's like a game. So I just download it, play it until I reach level 10. So that's an example one I could do. And then we've got like, I don't know, let's just go back and see. TikTok, down and run for 30 seconds. We got the Mo Casino one. This one you have to like pay, I think, search something up, install the app and open it. So yeah, just make sure you do 2 of these guys, you're gonna be good to go. So that's how to get Projector App onto your phone. And also if you press help, you can watch this video, which is pretty cool. But yeah, it's just super awesome. If you guys are tired of not being able to project stuff onto your wall, this is gonna be great. One thing is though, I would highly encourage you guys to go on the settings and make sure you got the background app refresh turned on. But other than that, you should be good to go. Also, make sure you got the low power mode turned off, but you should be all set, guys. So that's how I get Projector App into your phone. 2026, guys, a fully working method. This is super cool. And let's go on the App Store and look for some Projector apps, and you'll see they're all scams. So I'm just going to type in Projector just so you guys can see. And here it is, tracing projection, this one. And this is not obviously what we're looking for. So this is kind of like it, and it got bad reviews. This is dumb. I thought I'd be able to watch a movie on my wall, but now I can't do it. It doesn't work. See, these people know it doesn't work. I was excited when I saw that. I thought I'd be able to watch movies on my wall, but I couldn't even see. Not bad. You need a VR headset. That's stupid. So yeah, most of these are just completely fake. This is another projection app. This app is a total scam. It's advertised as a projector app. We project things on your wall, but it immediately doesn't work. So guys, definitely try this out. I'll see you guys later. But yeah, if you guys do want to get the Projector App on your phone, this is how to do it. Just make sure you download the 2 apps. You're going to be good to go. But yeah, it's pretty easy. You can see all the mods on this site. They have quite a list of cool stuff to get. So you guys will probably enjoy that. But yeah, I mean, if you guys were ever broke and you couldn't afford an Android phone or whatever fancy device can do projection, I just want to let you know you can do it on your iPhone now using matrixmods.com. So yeah, be sure to try it out, guys. I'll see you later. But yeah, this is fully updated, guys, a fully working method. And there's no jailbreak needed for this either. So that's really cool, right? So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. But yeah, it fully works. So if you guys need it, definitely try it out for yourself. I'll see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. But yeah, this is super cool. And it's updated and everything. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, be sure to subscribe if you need a modded version, guys. But it is fully working, updated version. So 2026, guys, you know how it is. We got to have the mods. But yeah, it is legit, guys. So be sure to try it out. And you can see they have tons of apps on this site, which is pretty cool if you want to get something else. But I mean, they've got everything under the sun on here. But yeah, super cool. I'll see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, bro. This is updated and it's very good to do.